namin to. Actually, nakapag-perform na kami dito sa kabila nito, yung Philippine Sports Stadium, di ba? Nakapag-perform kami doon, tapos, syempre, nung nag-perform kami, maraming pumapalakpak, pero hindi nila alam yung mga kanta natin, hindi nila alam kung sino tayo. Pero ngayon, nakakunat na. Pero ngayon, di ba, lahat to blooms, napuno natin sa Philippine Wow! Yes. Okay, at dahil dyan, meron kasi ako nasabi sa interview before na merong inedit si Miss MQ, Malyari, or manager, na ever since, ito yung wallpaper niya, inedit niya yung group photo natin. Until now, inedit niya yung group photo natin, tapos kumuha na siya ng random picture ng audience sa likod. Pwede mo bang i-flash yun, direct? Thank you! Yan! Nagka-realistic! Ang realistic! Sobrang mga stuff ko si Gusto. Ang cute naman ni Mi. Ano year to? Anong year to? Year of the Dragon. 2020. Meron akong box dyan eh. 5 years ago. Oh, what's the proof? Beanie Bear nandun din ako. Trivia time. Alam niyo ba na lahat ng damit namin dyan, hiram lang kay Miss Crane, di ba? At sa wife ni Coach Minnie na si Miss Gian. Hiram lang ng yan kasi wala pa kami damit eh. Wala pa tayo stylist nun. Wala pa akong stylist. Kaya kami lang nag-ayos sa sarili namin.
Naalala ko yan.
Ang beginnings.
So even before pa, ang dami na talagang tumulong sa atin out of passion and love, and because of that, we are truly grateful for everyone, to everyone.
Yeah, and after that pictorial, in-edit kami with that background, we have always dreamt that one day maging totoo ang picture na yan, and today is that day.
That's right. Grabe no. That's the talaga power of believing in your dreams and in God's perfect time. Why not? Wait lang, why not gawin natin to? Para naman mabago na yung wallpaper ni Miss MQ. Gawin natin siya. Kapag-tulong din. So wait lang. Pag mo siya yung mirror. Mirror ba? Mas hindi. Sobrang ano naman ng there, and then pati yung pose and pose. Pati yung pose. Pati yung smile. Yung pose, smile, everything. Wait. Raise your lights na guys. Pati yung ulo dapat ba? Ulo, katawan. Okay, thank you! Bakit pa solo po ako? Okay, ito na. Wait lang.
Seryoso daw siya.
At dahil malapit na tayo, At dahil malapit na tayo matapos, can we just take this time para pa-thank you ang groups natin. All for the groups lang, the moment na to. Groups, thank you so much. Isa-isa tayo Thank you so much, groups. Pwede ba rin kami nakakaiyak na kanta mo para mas feel? part na to. We actually have a surprise for all of you. Uulitin natin yung concert from the top. Oh! First time na yun! Mag-team sila, walang uwian. Actually, we have prepared something special for you. And that is something that a few very important people will be announcing right now. So may we call on Billboard Philippines representatives, publisher Ms. Anne Cornisca, and Chief of Editorial Content Brett Jackson to share the good news with you girls. Hi Ms. Anne, hi Brett. It's great to see you again. Good evening po. Wow, may
Sa inyong lahat and all of the blues sold out ang Philippine Arena. And tonight, we have something special to present to all of you. So on behalf of Billboard Philippines, we would like to present this certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines' #1 top artist of 2020. Billboard Philippines #1 artist for the Hot 100 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations!
What's so truly important about this is that the global #1 can be featured artists, the #1 artist from around the world, from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise! Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, girls! There's your award! Kindly accept it. There you go. Deserve ng Beanie. Tama mo yan! So girls, after hearing all of that, anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
Siyempre, gusto ko lang mag-thank you, Billboard Philippines, for giving us a platform para ma-showcase yung talents namin. Kasi Billboard Philippines, andyan sila palagi kapag may bago kaming songs, pag may bago kaming achievements. Ano ba? Thank you kasi... Ano ba yun? Thank you kasi itong Philippine Arena, hello, sino ba namang hindi pangarap ang makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena? And bonus na lang talaga na sold out natin. Diba? Sold out last day ng selling ng tickets and na-sold out natin. Grabe lang yung pagmamahal ng Blooms sa amin. Blooms, thank you so much! And alam namin, mamimiss nyo kami kasi magsisimula na yung world tour. Pero please know, nadala-dala namin lahat kayo sa bawat bansang pupuntahan namin. And babalik kami, papasalubungan namin kayo.
Nakangin.
Thank you so much, Blooms! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala to. Maraming salamat sa support nyo.
So, again, congratulations, Beanie, and thank you very much, Brett and Miss Anne from Billboard Philippines!
Thank you!
Thank you for that very special announcement. But wait, there's more! From a local recognition to an international milestone. Let's watch this.
Manchester 2024 is Beanie.
So, alam ko na lahat tayo inaabangan talagang matanggap na ng Beanie yung award itself. So, congratulations! You have made history, and with that, may I call on ABS-CBN Music Head Sir Roxy Mikigan and ABS-CBN TV Production Head and Star Magic Head, our Tatay Director Randy Johnny, to hand the International Award to Beanie!
From the United Kingdom, ito na po ang award ng MTV Europe Music Awards Best Asia, Beanie!
On behalf of ABS-CBN and Beanie Management, we would like to thank all the blooms na tumulong para makamit ang award. So girls, congratulations. Next time, pwede nyo natulong sa mga blooms ng award. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations girls.
Thank you, Director Sir Roxy! Maraming salamat po. Girls, ano naman ang reaction nyo? Finally, at merong parang promise ni Director na next time daw. Talagang i-accept nyo na international.
Yes! Oh. Go mix, go mix. Why? Why not? Well, ayun nga. Conversations namin actually kasi iniisip namin paano kami nakakarating sa ibang bansa ng ganung level kasi you know, we're just being mates, we're just chilling here and doing nothing. Hindi, joke lang, hindi kami chill. Lagi kami nagpa-practice, guys. Pero alam mo yun, alam namin dahil yun sa hard work ng Beanie, ng Team Beanie, ng ABS-CBN, at pati ng syempre ng blooms namin. Kaya, ayun nga, I know we always say we're always grateful for you guys, but of course, we can't stop saying it because that's what really is, you know?
Hindi, kasi siguro kaya rin tayo ready na tumapak sa global stage. Kasi parang, alam mo, yung foundation natin dito sa Philippines, tignan mo naman, napuno natin ang Philippine Arena, di ba? So, solid na tayo, solid yung base natin dito. Kaya siguro may nakasigit tayo ng loob and tapang para sumabak sa global stage. And I think kaya ng mga Pinoy yan, kailangan lang talagang mag-take ng risk. Yes.
Yeah, tama yan. Very inspirational talaga. Kaya natin mga Pinoy at